Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't even know what to do with my mouth right now because it looks so freaking weird. But this is my first Halloween tutorial of 2018. I had this idea this morning and I was like, if I don't do this right now, I'm going to forget. So I sat down and I just started filming this look, but I'm really happy how it turned out. You have a little bit of glam, but you also have Halloween on this side. And this is very wearable. I am just threw on some black clothes. I got this shirt from H&M, $3, and I'm a skeleton. I'm a gold skeleton. So yeah, if you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Taking a Morphe 573 and this shade right here. Just going to blend this in the crease really quick. In a Morphe M160 and 1/16, I'm going to take this black shade. And I'm just going to act as if I'm going to do an eyeliner. Like that. And I'm going to drag it slightly up. Basically just gonna keep grabbing more black and just fill in this space right here. I'm going to take a Morphe 218 in the same black shade. I'm just going to start blending that in a little better. Like so. Taking this gold shade in a flat brush. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. And over that, I'm going to place NYX glitter glue and a gold glitter. I'm going to take Morphe eyeliner in just a skinny brush. This is by Klein Color. To finish it up, I'm just going to grab some eyeliner and put some here just to hide the lash band. Off camera, I'm going to apply these crazy eyelashes. I got them on Amazon. Alright guys, I know I look insane right now, but basically I just put concealer under my eye, only in this basically fourth of my face because the rest is going to be used for something else. And I just put black eyeliner in my waterline, and now I'm just going to smudge some black eyeshadow under it to set it a little bit more. With a little bit of brown and a pencil brush, I'm just going to smudge that and blend it. So before I start anything, I'm just going to start sketching with the white eyeliner. This is by Sherry Moya. I got this from the dollar store. Any white eyeliner is going to do the job. But I'm just going to basically start sketching out what I'm going to be doing. And I'm just going to start basically here. I want the temple to be, I want the temple to be up here. I'm basically doing this off of my mind. Scratch this off. This is why it's important to really sketch first, because you can make a mistake. just like I did. Going to start doing the teeth. With a Morphe B16 and any black eyeshadow, I'm just going to start filling in the black lines. So I'm going to be doing this temple right here. With white paint. This is from a company called Blue Squid, and it's kids paint, face paint. I'll put the link down in my bio, but you basically just put a little bit of water and mix it up and you can use it. So I'm going to start filling out the teeth. I'm taking this paintbrush, this random paintbrush. It's very, very thin, outlining the teeth. So basically just do that to all the teeth. I'll be back. Taking black paint from the same company, I'm going to just shade in my whole eye. And I'm also going to put black eyeliner in my waterline to darken it up a little bit more. Same thing, just set that with black eyeshadow. I'm going to grab Mehron Metallic Powder, and this is the solution it comes with. It's a mixing medium. I'm going to mix these two, and it's going to basically become liquid. And then I'm going to fill in anything that isn't filled in yet. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to start. Okay. Guys, well, this is basically the whole gold thing. Now I'm just gonna be shading in areas that I think need a little more detail. I'm gonna be just taking my small little Morphe detail brush and a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna take any gel eyeliner and I'm gonna add even more detail.
Hey, Gigi!
Ah!
Come outside!
I can't!
Why?
Because I'm painting my face!
Oh, never mind.
Can you imagine if I go outside like this? Like someone's gonna call the cops or something. I think this is good enough. I don't think I want to add anything else. Last step, I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight really quick because it's Halloween and we can highlight. I'm gonna take this random ass brush and I'm going in with Fenty. We're just gonna highlight right here. Okay. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know I did a skull look last year, but this is a lot more, I don't know. This is a lot more glam and it's obviously gold. But yeah, happy Halloween. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna have time to post another tutorial. I really hope I do have time because I love just doing this on myself. But my nose is itchy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.